Hello everybody, this is Brad at Performance Unlimited. Today we are at the American Muscle Car Museum and we happen to have a 66 Chevy Corvette. This is the 8-ball vet. It has a 427 big block Chevy in here that we refreshed. And I'll let Ed tell you a little bit about the history on the car.
Hello Brad, welcome back to the American Muscle Car Museum. And today we're in the maintenance shop, and as you said, we've got our 66 8-ball Corvette here. And with all cars, we're always trying to make them better, improve them. And that's where your guys has come in as far as helping us with motors, making things better, making things run better. And this is one we're getting ready to take to the NCRS Nationals in Virginia. And the motor was just not quite what it needed to be. So we had your team over there freshen it up. And this is one that won one of the National Heritage Awards while it was there.
That's great.
This has an amazing racing history. This actually competed in 1967 Daytona runoffs and finished 7th. And the only reason it finished 7th is it blew a head gasket at the time. So this is probably one of my favorite cars in the collection, also one of the largest cars in the collection. But once again, appreciate everything you and your team do for us.
Well, I appreciate you letting us be a part of history here at the museum and restoring history. And thank you once again.
Okay, Brad, thank you.
Yes, thank you.